If you're looking for a great container for your lunch, this is a great alternative. It's actually made of glass and it has this protective silicone all over. They have different colors. As you can see, the quality is very good. It's high quality. It doesn't look cheap at all. So it's something that I really liked about it. And it's very easy to clean, and also I'm not afraid of putting any type of food over here to take to lunch, because I know that it's not going to get stained and it's going to look brand new. I actually already used it several times and look at it, looks like brand new. So this is something that I really look for whenever I'm testing container for my lunch. And in this case, for instance, I'm gonna utilize it to put my chicharron in green salsa that I want to take for work. And if it's like leftovers, this is very spacious. So I'm excited to put it over here because I know that I'm going to be able to fit a lot over here. And I also put the other day some granola with yogurt and some oatmeal as well. So this is something that, as you can see, I was able to fit all this food inside of this container. It's ready to go, and this is how you pack it. Look at this. So you can put soup, anything really, and it's very portable, very cute, and very versatile. So highly recommend it.